2013 Acura TSX. Really beautiful car. What we got done on this beautiful beast. Got factory converters up there, secondary converter there. Then we put a MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACK right there, as you guys can see. Part number 10415, be a link in the description for this beautiful beast. Then what we did is we did a rear muffler delete there and there into some burnt blue tips out the back straight, right there and right there. There's the two mufflers and there's the resonator we cut off right there. This is what it looks like after. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and do everything you guys are doing, because you guys are doing awesome. And we really appreciate the support. There it is. Ooh. Acura TSX. That's not bad. 114 again. 116. That's crazy. Go ahead and back it up. 116. And it's still clean because of the MAGNAPACK. It's not raspy. That's not bad. I like the sound of that. Let you guys hear on the inside. Acura TSX 2013 MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACK and rear muffler delete. Got a nice deep quiet idle to it. It's not too much, which is good.